So I just found this post on X, and basically this user is providing a prompt to convert a photo into the Polaroid camera style using Gemini Nano Banana, and I think it looks pretty cool. So I modified the prompt a bit and I converted this picture into something that looked like this using only Gemini, and I think it looks pretty cool. But I upgraded the prompt a bit more and I was able to create this physical representation of the Polaroid photo, and I think this is actually a great way to preview your photo if it was taken by a Polaroid camera, and perhaps this could be a sort of preview before you're purchasing a real Polaroid camera. So in this video I'll show you the prompts that you can use to convert any photo or any selfie into the authentic Polaroid camera style. So first, let's go to Gemini Nano Banana, and here for this demonstration I'm going to use this picture of a cat. Let me just copy it and paste that into Gemini. Now again, there are two prompts that you can try. The first prompt is the simple one, the one that I used to create this photo, and the second prompt is the one that I use to create this photo. Honestly, I'm a big fan with the second prompt, so I'll use the prompt number 2. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste that right here. Click Tools, click Create Images, and send the message. So again, I think I need to remind you guys that the picture that will be created by Gemini will usually follow the aspect ratio of the original photo. So if you upload a vertical photo, then the output will be vertical, and if you upload a square or horizontal photo, then the final photo will be either square or horizontal depending on the input photo. And there you go. So this is the result. It looks pretty amazing. Even there's the authentic natural stain on the Polaroid paper, and that's going to make the picture even more realistic and believable. So I think that's a pretty cool trick in Gemini Nano Banana. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.